Hey guys, welcome back. This is a 2025 Hyundai Ioniq. So it will open on the outside door handle, but it will not open on the inside door handle. Let's go ahead and compare it to this guy. Oh yeah, it will open from inside and outside. This one has child safety lock. Cycle the key on, press this child safety lock. This one is no longer opening from inside, but you can still open from outside. Same as this one, and now it's not opening. Well, this is the concern though. If the child safety lock is off, also this one is not opening. Unlocked it, open, does not open at all. But I don't feel any resistance. I feel like that one has a lot more resistance. Yeah, this one is a lot more effort to pull it out. Yep. So I think there is something going on inside mechanically. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this panel and let's see what's going on inside. Okay, so the manual says there's a screw here. And one more here. And then we can just simply pop this out. Right there. Okay. That's easy. Okay, what is going on inside? Whoa! Here is the problem, guys. This thing, for whatever reason, decided to unhook. Is it broken? I don't think so. Let's put it in. Yeah, it's not broken at all. Is that it? This is pretty easy one. Let's go ahead and put it in. Alright, before we put everything in, let's go ahead and verify the fix. Oh yeah. It's right there. Turn this on. Okay. Turn that off. Cool. Now we can put everything back together. This thing fell for whatever reason when I pulled it out. Okay. Oops, don't close it. Not done yet. Don't forget about this. I did. Alright. Cool. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.